MP. Lawyer for reggae artist BUJU David Marcus is expected to continue cross-examining a U.S. government informant, Alexander Johnson, when the trial resumes this morning in Tampa, Florida federal court. Yesterday, the court heard shocking tape recordings of the artist's conversations with a U.S. informant. The U.S. government informant testified that reggae star BUJU introduced him to a friend who the musician said had contacts to sell kilograms of cocaine. Authorities say that Banton, whose real name is Mark Myrie, tried to buy cocaine from an undercover officer in Sarasota last year. Recordings of phone calls and other conversations between Banton and the informant Alexander Johnson were played in court.
Was speaking at the opening ceremony of the Jamaica Institute of Engineers Engineer Week exhibition yesterday.
Kingston's Mayor Desmond McKenzie, a team from Digicel, and Information Minister Darrell Vaz toured Coronation Market today as work continues apace on the section that was burnt down by suspected arsonists during the Tivoli unrest in May. Digicel is providing $100 million of the $1 billion estimated cost of fully restoring the market. The market is on target to finish in December. The team from Digicel said it's pleased with the work done so far.
It's great to be here, and I'm particularly pleased to be with friends, and I'd like to congratulate everybody who's involved in the project so far. It's been done very, very quickly because the Mayor's putting a lot of pressure on us to get it done rapidly, as he always does, and of course the Prime Minister wants to. I know it's a very, very important project from the Prime Minister's point of view as well. It's dear to his heart, and I think everybody from whatever political persuasion you are, everybody wants to see the Coronation Market re-established.
The Mayor expressed appreciation to Digicel for its support.
What we are seeing now is the total reconstruction of the largest public market in the Western Hemisphere, the Coronation Market. And the discussions with Digicel is now going to look to see what more can be done to improve the conditions of the market district.
Vendors who sell on the streets of Maypen, Clarendon are expressing frustration with the way they're being treated by the Maypen police. The vendors say the overcrowded and deplorable conditions within the market have forced them onto the streets, but the cops are now giving them a hard time. Latoya Spence reports.
The concerns being raised by these vendors are not new, but they say their situation is worsening daily. Though a few are new to the streets, many of them have been selling in the open for years. But the renewed thrust by the Clarendon Parish Council and the Maypen Police are now preventing them from doing so. They say they're constantly on the run with their goods, forced to sell from boxes, crates, or their hands. They say the market is not an option because it's overcrowded.